lights are bright, the night is warm. Your love is here, it takes new form. My feet can't stop, my heart's alive. Your spirit moves, I come alive. The rhythm calls, I feel your peace. The chains are gone, I'm finally free. The joy you bring will never fade. I dance upon the grace you made. I won't stay silent, I won't hide. Your fire burns from deep inside. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Down, down, down. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The sunrise paints the clouds with gold. Your faithfulness will not grow old. The world rejoices, hearts renewed. Creation sings, God, you are good. The laughter rings, the crowd unites. Your spirit floods these city lights. The sound of hope begins to play. We're dancing free in endless praise. I feel the wind, I hear the sound of heaven's joy all around. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The night is young, the stars align. Your glory moves in space and time. Every tear is turned to joy. Every heart you now employ. Dancing in grace, we're alive. Faith and love electrify. Every beat, every flame glorifies your holy name. Dancing in grace, we are free. Heaven moves in melody. Every heart, every face burns forever in your grace. Dancing in grace.
The stars are singing high above, a symphony of endless love. The heavens glow, the earth replies. Your glory floods these open skies. The night is young, our hearts are free. Your spirit flows like melody. Every breath a holy sound, as heaven's echo fills the ground. And we can feel the sky awake. Every soul begins to share. Echoes of heaven loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven high and wide. Faith and fire side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. rhythm builds the crowd to life. Your presence sparks, we come alive. The air is warm, the ground will shake. Your holy thunder starts to wake. The world is bright, the stars align. We lift our souls beyond the time. Your love resounds in every tone. This light reminds we're never alone. The sound of praise, the skies aglow. Your heaven moves, your mercy flows. Echoes of heaven, loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven, high and wide. Faith and fire, side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. You open doors the stars can't close. Your spirit breathes and freedom flows. The world stands still, the angels sing. Your name restores everything. Echoes of heaven shine so bright. Fill the earth with holy light. Every soul, every sea sings your grace eternally. Echoes of heaven, pure and true. Every song returns to you. Every heart, every flame glorifies your endless name. The night is done, the stars remain. Echoes of heaven call your name.
The dawn breaks out across the sea. A brand new world you've given me. My heart revived, my fear undone. I'm standing here, the day's begun. The golden air, the colors rise. Your mercy paints the morning skies. I lift my hands, I feel your flame. Alive again in Jesus' name. And now I see, I start to breathe. Your spirit moves inside of me. I'm alive again. You breathe your life into my soul. The sun will rise, my heart will sing. You are my life, my everything. I'm alive again, hearts awake. Faith and love will overtake. Every soul, every cry lifts your praise to touch the sky. I'm alive again, pure and free. Your spirit reigns inside of me. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy The dawn will rise, the past will end. In your love I live again. The morning breaks, the shadows fade. Your mercy shines, the world remade. The air is clear, the sky's alive. Your spirit breathes, my soul revived. The colors rise across the sea. Creation joins in melody. I lift my hands, I lift my eyes. I see your glory fill the skies. Every dawn your love remains, lighting hope through joy and pain. Rise up, glory, shine so high. Lift our hearts to touch the sky. Every voice, every flame sings the power of your name. Rise up, glory, day begun. Faith awakens with the sun. Every tear, every cry turns to praise and The light reflects on every face, a brand new dawn of endless grace. The ocean moves, the heavens sing, the earth is new in everything. Your love restores what's been undone, a victory rising with the sun. From broken hearts to holy ground, salvation's song is all around. Every soul begins to rise, shining bright before my eyes. Rise of glory, shine so high. Lift our hearts still, the stars awake. I see your light begin to break. The heavens glow, the earth will sing. Our hearts alive in everything. Your spirit moves from heart to heart, igniting faith in every part. The air is warm, your love ascends, a song of joy that never ends. And I can feel your glory fall. It's rising up, consuming us. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Glory rising, the rhythm builds, the crowd's alive. Your kingdom here, your fire revived. The ground is shaking, hearts ignite. Our praise becomes the morning light. From shore to shore, your truth resounds, a song of grace that knows no bounds. Your presence floods this holy space, our souls renewed by endless grace. The sky erupts in light and flame. Every breath declares your name. Glory rising through the night. Fill the world with holy light. Every flame, every sound lifts your spirit all around. Glory rising, pure and free. Heaven moves inside of me. Every soul, every cry shines your name across the sky. Rising, you lift me up where stars collide. I see your beauty magnified. The night grows still, but I'm awake. My heart renewed for heaven's sake. Glory rising, hearts unite, shining love and endless light. Every dream, every flame burns the echo of your name. Glory rising, pure and true. All creation worships you. Every sound, every cry glorifies the Lord Most Glory The stars remain. The night is clear. Your glory rising ever near. The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I raise my hands, I shout your name, forever free. I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever. You're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. The crowd unites, the voices rise. Your spirit dances in our eyes. The lights explode, the night turns gold. 1,000 hearts, one truth retold. The echoes roll across the air. Your kingdom sound is everywhere. From mountain high to ocean deep, your promise wakes the world from sleep. Let your glory fill this place. Heaven meets the human race. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. You break the night, you make it glow. The fire within begins to show. Your spirit moves, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star, every soul burns your name and makes us The night is done, the dawn will show, but in our hearts, you still glow. Waves arise, the waters sing. I feel the pull of everything. The tide of love, the breath of peace. A sea of grace that won't release. The ocean shines, the stars align. Your spirit moves beyond the line. The shore is washed in holy sound. Your mercy flows, I'm glory bound. And every wave calls out your name. Forevermore you'll stay the same. Sea of grace, you carry Your glory shines inside of me. The ocean's heart begins to glow. Your spirit flows, it overflows. The tide of love keeps pulling near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Sea of grace, you carry me far beyond eternity. Every storm, every tide pulls me closer to your side. Sea of grace, deep and wide, heaven's rhythm turns the tide. Every sound, every hue sings of all you're bringing through. You calm the waves, you light the sea. Your endless love keeps carrying me. I drown in peace, I rise in flame, forever changed by your great name. Oh, oh, oh. Sea of grace, take control. You're the anchor of my soul. Every breath, every cry lifts my heart into the sky. Sea of grace, all I am rests within your perfect plan. Every wave, every hue sings of love that's always new. The sea is still, the light remains. I'm washed forever in your grace. The stars align above the sea, the gentle light surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I feel your love, I know your will. The night is deep, the heavens sing. My soul restored in everything. I lift my hands, my heart released. The sky is wide, my soul's at peace. Every breath I take tonight shines within your holy light. Stars of faith burning bright guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. song. You've been my light the whole night long. The sky declares, the stars agree. Your grace is all I'll ever need. Stars of faith shine so high, fill the earth and paint the sky. Every flame, every cry lifts your praise and sanctify. Stars of faith never fade. You are love the heavens made. Every soul, every sound glorifies your grace profound. Glorifies your grace The night will fade, but not your flame. Forever shine, my stars of